Hello, and welcome to TSLOTS. Today, in our product overview series, I will be reviewing our anchor fastener. The anchor fastener is the strongest connecting fastener that we offer, and for that reason, it is the most popular. It is available in our metric and fractional series product lines. Before you are able to install the anchor fastener, you will need a counterbore hole machined in the slot of the profile that you will be using. To see more about our anchor fasteners and the machining, please see the TSLOTS catalog. The anchor fastener consists of 3 assembled parts: the anchor cam, the bolt, and the T-nut. Take your bar that has the counterbore hole machined into it, drop the anchor cam into the hole with the tail sticking down. Line it up with the extrusion that you will be using. Take your Allen wrench, fasten it down. The great thing about the anchor fastener, like many other fasteners here in TSLOTS, is the adjustability. Simply take your anchor fastener, the Allen wrench, loosen it up, move it to the new location on the bar, fasten it down. Couldn't be any simpler. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this information on our anchor fastener was helpful to you. For more information on our anchor fastener or other fasteners, please see our TSLOTS catalog. For additional information and resources, don't forget to subscribe to us at tslots.com. Thank you.